think I'm pretty?
Or you're making a mess.
No, I'm not.
What?
No, I'm not.
Come here. Come closer. I'm gonna get you a picture. You're a messy little monster.
Monster?
Yeah, a little monster. Ice cream monster.
Do I deal ice cream to people when I'm
I see those grubby hands on my couch. What?
Do I get
Stop touching my couch with your grubbies.
do I give people some ice cream when I'm an ice cream monster?
No, I think you steal people's ice cream. What are you bouncing around for? Bounce bug.
Houston. I'm bouncing around for Houston. Because you love me. Right there.
Did you have fun at Luke's football game today? Ugh, look at you. You are a wreck. You're just like your brother Luke. Like,
He had ice cream?
no, you're just like him because you're dirty. You're dirty Mosey. Are you dancing? What are you doing? And Luke can't sit still either.
He looks like Luke. He looks like Luke.
Who? Does not. That's Mario Batali. You could look like her though. She's Gwyneth Paltrow.
Yeah, she looks.
She has
like
blonde
me.
hair like you.
I know. She looks.
Ah! Get off my couch with the grubbies.
She.
Ugh. All right, get outside with that. Get outside. Get outside.